I knew that I wanted to do kinesiology really early in high school. I had a passion for sports, knowledge about the human body and how it functioned. There are things that people are doing at UFV that want to make you do more for yourself, but also for the people around you and for your surrounding community. I'm Donna Pinning, and I'm a teacher in Chilliwack. As a teacher, I use my degree daily. I teach physical education to students from K to 5. Because of my hands-on experiences, because I had practical application of what I was going to be doing throughout my degree, I'm able to bring that into my classrooms to help them maintain healthy lifestyles as well.
I took the exercise science stream because I wanted to get into more of the hands-on side of things with sports and athletics and fitness. You get such a wide range and a broad knowledge base from the kin program, and it really helps the students get prepared for life outside of the school.
I'm Ann Liu, and I'm the physiotherapist here at Altus Chiropractic and Physiotherapy. Being able to apply things that I've learned at UFV into more of a practical setting is very useful in my career. My degree, it really prepared me for my chiropractic education. Without attending University of the Fraser Valley, I don't think I would be here today.
The profs know how to deliver the content, but they expect a high quality of performance from students.
I've got students collecting data, analyzing data, using equipment that most students don't get a chance to do until they go on to a master's degree.
We get to know our students and we get to see them develop professionally. It's not going to be as viable to do that with a class of 100 versus a class of 36. I love being at UFV for that reason.
My philosophy really has to do with the whole person. We want to be physically active for our whole entire life. So I prepare our students to be able to teach towards enjoyment, but also with understanding.
The fact that UFV is located in the heart of such an outdoor mecca that has every sort of activity base around it is essential. So if you want a place that you feel like you belong, that you matter, and that you can make a difference in the community, then UFV is a great place to be.